Hey guys, I hear a few of you are having issues possibly taking out this cap on the bottom. I want to go over a few tools that you can use to get this thing out. So first, you can use tweezers that are sharp, a credit card or business card or anything like that, a gift card, junk mail, basically if you got like postcards or something like that, something a little bit thicker, stock paper, and Scotch tape actually. Or, my personal favorite is you could use the thick cardboard that is in the box itself. I just ripped off a corner from the bottom piece, so that way it's a little bit thick and you can actually just use it. So here we go, using this corner, you can just kind of shove it in here and it comes right out. Another method is tweezers. Again, they're a little bit sharp. You can just go ahead and put that anywhere around it and lift it right up, so that's out. You can use Scotch tape, my personal favorite. You can just apply the tape and just press directly on to the circle and then it pulls right out. You can use a postcard, same thing, using a corner, shoving it in there, kind of wiggling it back and forth, and it comes right out. And my last and least favorite one is you can use a gift card or credit card, but again, if they're too thick, it may send the thing flying, or it can actually just pop right out. So there are a few tools that you can use to get this thing out. So hopefully this helped you, and let me know down below by liking it and comment if you did get it out.